is mating. These are cicadas. Come on, cameraman. What kind of cameraman are you? Oh, reminds me of the Mercy seat. They seem to be hooked up. This guy's going forward, and that one's going backward. They're like my wings. From my experience, that if you come out like 10 p.m. and hatch out, you're not going to have that problem generally with your wings. But come out in sun time, don't be too surprised, especially if you're in the direct sunlight. That one seems to be in charge. Those butts are hitched up. All hooked up. Not wanting to reverse. Look at the little train. It looks like to me that the female is dragging the male. Well, we've seen it.